In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing on iPhone in 2026. If Facebook Marketplace has disappeared from your iPhone, don't worry. There are several simple things you can check, and in many cases, the problem is easy to fix. We'll go through the most effective solutions one by one so you can figure out why Marketplace is missing and get it working again. First, check if you're actually eligible to use Marketplace. You need to be at least 18 years old, and Marketplace also has to be available in your country or region. On top of that, if your Facebook account has been restricted because of a violation of community standards or commerce policies, Marketplace may not appear at all. So before changing anything on your phone, make sure your account is allowed to access the feature. Next, update the Facebook app. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and scroll down to the Available Updates section. If you see Facebook listed there, tap Update. Running an outdated version of the app can cause features like Marketplace to disappear or fail to load properly. After that, restart your iPhone, turn it off, wait around 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Once your phone restarts, open Facebook again and see if Marketplace is back. This quick refresh can solve temporary glitches. If that doesn't help, log out of Facebook and then log back in. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon, scroll down and choose Log Out. Then sign back into your account. This can refresh your account connection and sometimes restore missing features. You should also try searching for Marketplace directly. Open Facebook, tap the search icon, type Marketplace, and see if the result appears. If it does, tap it to open the section manually. Another place to check is the Facebook menu. Tap the menu icon and look through the available options for the Marketplace icon. In some cases, it may still be there even if it's not showing in the usual spot. If the problem continues, reinstall the Facebook app, touch and hold the Facebook app icon, tap Remove App, then choose Delete App and confirm. After that, go to the App Store, download Facebook again, install it, sign in, and check Marketplace. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. Connect to reliable Wi-Fi or switch to cellular data. If possible, try a different network to rule out connection issues. You can also test Facebook in a web browser. Open Safari or another browser, go to Facebook, sign in, and check whether Marketplace is available there. If it works in the browser, but not in the app is most likely the issue. Finally, if nothing works, report the problem to Facebook. Open the app, tap the menu icon, go to Help and Support, then report a problem. Choose Marketplace, describe what's happening, and include screenshots if you can. That's how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing on iPhone.